Pros and cons of quartz countertops for your house. Dear friends, quartz has recently become one of the most sought-after materials for modern kitchens. However, with any big decision regarding your home, it's important to look at the pros and cons to determine if quartz countertops are the right fit for you. The pros of quartz countertops. Quartz countertops have a well-deserved reputation for being a top choice in both kitchens and bathrooms. They come with numerous benefits that homeowners love. Here's a closer look at some of the benefits of quartz countertops. 1. Durability. Quartz is an engineered stone, which means it's incredibly durable and highly resistant to heat, stains, scratches, and chips. If you're looking for countertops that can handle daily wear and tear, quartz should be a strong contender for that top spot. With proper care, quartz countertops can last for decades, making them a super smart investment. 2. Aesthetics. One of the biggest advantages of quartz countertops is their design versatility. They come in a wide variety of colors, styles, and patterns, allowing you to find the perfect match for your design aesthetic. Whether you prefer a sleek, modern look or something with a more natural look, quartz offers plenty of options that mimic the appearance of natural stone without additional maintenance and sealing. 3. Non-porous. Unlike natural stone, quartz is non-porous, meaning it doesn't absorb liquids. This makes it highly resistant to staining. Plus, it won't become a breeding ground for bacteria, making it a healthier choice for kitchens and bathrooms. 4. Low maintenance. Quartz countertops require little maintenance compared to natural stone. You won't need to worry about sealing them regularly, and a quick wipe with a mild cleaner is usually all you need to keep them looking brand new. 5. Stain resistance. Because quartz is non-porous, it resists stains from everyday substances like coffee, wine, and oils. This is a huge advantage for busy kitchens where spills are kind of inevitable. You won't get this sort of stain resistance out of all stone surfaces, which really helps set quartz apart. 6. Resale value. Investing in quartz countertops can increase the resale value of your home. Potential buyers often see quartz as a high-end material, and its low maintenance, luxurious look, and high durability make it a desirable feature in any home. The cons of quartz countertops. Even with all these benefits, it's essential to look at the disadvantages of quartz countertops, too. Fortunately, these drawbacks aren't deal-breakers for most people, and there are ways to mitigate them. Here's a closer look at the cons of quartz countertops. 1. Affordability. One downside of quartz countertops is the cost. They can be more expensive than other options, such as laminate or tile. 2. Vulnerability to heat. While quartz is tough, it's not invincible. It can be vulnerable to heat damage, so we don't recommend placing hot pans or pots directly on the surface. You should use oven mitts, pot holders, or heat pads to avoid this issue. 3. Indoor use only. Quartz is not recommended for use outdoors because prolonged exposure to sunlight can cause discoloration over time. If you're planning an outdoor kitchen, you'll need to consider something that has protection against UV rays. 4. Difficult to DIY. Quartz countertops can be heavy and should be cut and installed by a professional stone fabricator. While this could be seen as a downside for DIY enthusiasts, hiring a professional will help ensure that you end up with a flawless installation and prevent potentially expensive mistakes. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.